Okay, Ronald, it's time to move over to your dad's 6106. We're going to start by disassembling the case, which involves a few little pushes here and there. There you go. One quick pop and out it comes. There we go. There's your crystal. Dusty. Actually. .07 on your dial and a 08 on your case. So very nice. Alright, well that's the disassembly. We're going to go ahead and clean everything, do some jeweling, get you back in good shape, and we will come back with all of your parts and components ready to be reassembled. Okay, Ronald, we are out of the cleaner and parts are ready to go. Everything looked really good. This watch certainly got use, but everything is in very nice shape. I don't think it's ever been serviced. I looked in the case back and I didn't see anything. So we're working on territory of untouched original. You have a new lower mainspring arbor port jewel, and of course the upper as well. So those will help with longevity. Will allow it to be a great watch for much, much longer than its normal working life. All right, we're going to go ahead and get started and get things back together. right, well there we are. There is the movement running. Let's go ahead and check our work. See how we did. Okay, well, we got some adjusting to do, so let's get that started. Okay, well, the rate and the beat error are really very good. I'm going to take a couple looks around just to see if there's anything I need to be aware of. I think your amplitude's going to come up just perfectly. I think it's just breaking in now. It's getting that lubrication around on the pallets and the escapement. But overall, this is a good start. It's gonna fluctuate a little bit, but I'm gonna go back in and have a look around, make sure nothing is in the way and doing anything weird. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. I think we're in good shape. We just gotta do the break-in. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, well that's the movement built. We are going to get the dial and hands put back on, and we're actually going to go in the case, and we won't see the last construction because I have to put the winding components on at this point to ensure that it can go right back in the case. So when we see the watch next, it'll be fully assembled and ready to go. All right, we'll be back. Okay, Ronald. Well, here it is. Here is your father's lovely 6106 5419 from 1970. Everything went really well with the service. There was one thing I got. I started to look a little bit deeper into your amplitude, and I wasn't exactly happy with where things were. And generally what that comes down to with a lot of these watches is the mainspring. And so I went ahead and replaced the mainspring in the watch. It just doesn't quite have the right look. It's a little bit tired in these curves, and you don't quite get the amplitude you want to get in that situation. But otherwise, everything else went really well. There was only a couple tiny pieces here that were replacement items, and there's your crown seal, and there's your bushing. That's now a jewel. So I went ahead and jeweled the mainspring arbor ports, cleaned everything in the sonicator. Came out really well. These Milanese straps, they are just really nice. They're so smooth. They wear so nicely. Well, that is the process. We are all set. Here's your turtle. It's ready to come home too. So all the watches are done and complete, and I'm excited to get them back to you so you can hand this off to the next generation and they'll enjoy it. And that's just great. I think it's awesome that you're going to do this for your son. And thank you for trusting me with your dad's watch. All right, well, take care, and thanks for watching.